wanting. I confess that you're a frog. Oh, baby, hold my cookie.
All right, yeah. It feels like it's shaping up. I think that gives us some direction on like the general tone of this. This needs to be sentimental. It needs to be a kind of like perfect day type vibe. It's such a perfect day to get married to a Muppet. Botnik is a creative studio that uses predictive text and other kinds of machine learning to write stuff. Human-machine collaborative writing that wouldn't have come from a person and wouldn't have come from a machine, but weirdly does come from the combination of the two together. Each song pulls from a bunch of different source materials and synthesizes them. So this is Sesame Street lyrics to the Velvet Underground, and a collection of wedding announcements in the New York Times.
You can never understand my love, because marriage is an alligator.
A lot of coverage of AI frames it as, what if the robots get better than us at doing everything? Isn't this scary? We're not trying to speed up writing that already exists. We're trying to make a new kind of writing that would only come from this combination of people and machines. The program we use is called Voicebox. I wrote Voicebox based on what I understood of the phone predictive text keyboard. So as the person operating this machine, your task is at every step of the sentence, choose a word that could lead to a good line or whatever you want to write.
I remember being shot by the American friend.
I love art that has humor and maybe it's subtext of like social commentary mixed in with it, and then music, like that's basically everything I like in one package.
You wonder where everything comes from.
It's Cyborg Writing. You know, it's not automated. It's not AI. It's not actually a bot, and it's also not just us faking how a robot would write, getting things wrong on purpose. It's to me, like I said, the benchmark is a third thing that neither entity could create on its own.
For the lead single on this album, the two source texts we used were all of Morrissey's lyrics on one hand and all Amazon customer reviews of the P90X workout DVD system on the other, and wrote it into a song.
Just to see results, I really started to cry. And I think it's fair to say I've gotten bored with this desire to get ripped.
This is the second stop on the Songularity tour, which is a tour to promote Botnik's first album. We're going to subject Baby Castles to another predictive text song. This one by one of the original 60s kings of protest music, Bob Dylan, in combination with negative Yelp reviews of 4th Street restaurants.
I ain't sure if anyone would think this place is good. Definitely won't be coming back. Very disappointed with the quality of food, and I was very disappointed with the staff.
There's something about comedy writing. The first step is asking, what are all the words that get me to that voice?
Not impressed, I would not recommend.
Voicebox is pretty good at giving you a bunch of words that put you in a voice, and then you're the one who's good at figuring out what to do with them.
So that's Bob Dylan plus Yelp.